If you're still broke, confused, or you're still depending on one source of income in this modern age, then this video might just change everything for you. So I've said it before that you don't need millions of naira, you don't even need an office space to actually start up a business presently. What you need is your phone, the internet, and a smart idea. So this is day 3 of me trying to start up a business with 0 naira. If you've not seen day 1 and day 2, go back and watch it so that you will know what we are doing here and you know why we are actually doing this. So if you're just coming across this channel for the first time, hi, my name is Precious. On this channel I share business growth tips, business ideas, making money online in general. So if you like topics like this, you can just hit on that subscribe button. Don't forget to like this video and share this video to people you think that would need it. Initially I was going to pick a business idea today, but I decided to come out here and share some of these business ideas I saw while I was doing my research. Then you can help me choose in the comment section, and tomorrow I'll pick one and we'll start working with that particular one. When we talk about businesses that you can do without any amount, that means you don't need to stock up anything. All you just need is your smartphone and your internet. So let me plug into some of those businesses. The first one that you can actually do to make money with just your phone and your internet is social media management. If you go through my business ideas, you would see I've been mentioning social media management. So social media management is one business that you can help businesses. You can learn about social media online from YouTube. You can learn about social media, then you help businesses manage their online pages, because most businesses, they need someone to manage their online pages. So you can actually come in and help them manage their business pages. So if you can learn about social media very well, you pitch to businesses, tell them that you can help them grow their pages. Most of them will be interested, right? And you can even get like 3 to 4 businesses that you're handling their social media accounts, and you see diverse source of income. So basically you can reply messages, post content, and help them grow their audience, and they will get to pay you monthly. So the next idea I found out is graphic design. Businesses are looking for people to help them create logos, flyers for their business. This is new month now, they need new month flyers, things like that for their business, and that is where you come in. With software like Canva, even with AI, you can now design flyers. So you can take graphic design as one side hustle. So if you already have a business, you can also learn this graphic design and implement it in your business. There are diverse tools that can make things easier for you. Tools like Canva, even AI too can make things easier for you. So if you're someone that's interested in graphic design, you can just learn this course online. I think I have some graphic design tutorials you can just learn and start advertising yourself. I'm having an issue. I'm trying to pick between a service-based business or selling a product. But if you like any of these ideas you like and you want me to work with it, let me know in the comment section. So the next business I'm going to plug you to is drop shipping. With this drop shipping, you don't need to buy product and stock. You're selling something, but you're not the one buying it. You're not buying it, you're not keeping it. You don't have a shop, you're not keeping it. So all you have to do is to get a wholesaler. If you get a wholesaler, you advertise that wholesaler's product, and when somebody places an order from you, the wholesaler will now ship to the person directly without you even having to go there. You can even use all these online platforms to make things easier for you. Let's talk about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is something that you can do to actually make money online. What are you doing? You're advertising for other people. When you advertise other people's products, you get commission when people buy through you. That is what affiliate marketing is. Basically, you're promoting other people's products for a particular amount of commission. When people buy from you, they get to pay you a particular amount of commission, and you can do it in places like Seller. And you don't actually need to sell only physical products. You can actually get digital products like ebooks and start marketing. Another idea I found on the internet is creating digital products. If you're knowledgeable in a particular topic, you have a particular topic that you know very well, that people are always asking you, like me, people are always asking me, how did you start your YouTube channel, how do you go about your content creation? So if you have a particular topic like that people are always asking you about, people are always asking you questions about, you can actually use it to start up a business. You can create a digital book, an ebook, to help teach those people to solve the problem. Since they are asking you, they actually have a problem, so you can actually create this digital book to help them solve that particular problem. Ebooks are good because they have online sites that can help you manage your inventory, and you don't need to start creating over and over again. Once you create one, you can keep on selling that particular one over and over again. So the next idea you can start doing online is content creation. For me, this is the biggest. This is one thing that actually pays. It's not usually easy at first, but by the time you go into it, and one thing about content creation is that when you start, stop waiting for the platform to pay you. Try to monetize your knowledge too from the beginning. Structure yourself as an expert in a particular field. Structure yourself as an expert in a particular field and start selling your knowledge, start monetizing your knowledge from the beginning. Even when you're posting and you're not seeing views, just keep on putting yourself out there. With time, definitely the algorithm will remember you. You can create content for TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, and at some point when you get the monetization threshold, they start paying you. And even before you get there, just like I said, you can also monetize your knowledge. So if you have any skill like writing, editing, voiceover, you can also start freelancing. You can go to platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, advertise yourself and start getting clients. So if you're looking to start up any of this business, I've laid a guide on the right process you can take to starting up a business. So I'm just going to leave the link in the description. And if you're also a business owner already and you want to grow your business and make more sales, I'm going to leave the link to my ebook on sales in the description too. But here's the thing, we don't need to try all these ideas at once. You just need to pick one thing, one idea, study and make yourself very good in that particular skill. Any skill you choose, just make yourself very good in that particular skill, and before you know it will start paying off. So tomorrow I'm going to pick a particular idea and we'll start working towards it. So if there's any idea you want me to actually pick, you can let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to come back tomorrow. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow.